This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the Pocophone F1. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980. Pocophone F1 has the Snapdragon 845, and they both have 6 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up, but I'm gonna give the win to the Pocophone F1. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Mate 20. Messages. Very close on that one. Camera. Ooh, maybe the F1? You guys let me know in the comments. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Chrome. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Scroll to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. Draw again, pretty much. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the F1. Do the same thing on the Mate 20 Pro. Very nice. Calculator. Very similar performance. Play Store. Call this one a draw. Click on this one. Amazon Shopping. Very close. eBay. Slight edge to the Mate 20 Pro on that one. Click on this. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Mate 20 Pro, a little bit ahead. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Ooh, Mate 20 Pro out front. And give this to the Huawei phone. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Mate 20 Pro's ahead. And give this to the Huawei phone. Asphalt 9. Ooh, give this to the Huawei. Not that big of a difference though. Tap to play. PUBG. Mate 20 Pro out in front. And give this to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. As you can see, San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, both are neck and neck, as you can see. Ooh, very close. Mate 20 Pro slightly out front. Twitter. Mate 20 Pro. Instagram. The Mate. Snapchat. Mate 20 Pro. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. So you can see both phones have 6 gigs of RAM. But on a side note, I'd like to say that I do like how this looks on the Pocophone F1. Pretty unique on the multitasking. So let's go ahead and tap on Instagram. Good to go on both. Twitter. Nice and fast. Ready to play on the San Andreas. PUBG. Good to go on both. I think I clicked on a different thing here, but still in RAM. Regardless. Asphalt 9. Ready to play on both. Angry Birds 2. Ready to resume. Temple Run 2. Ready to continue. Mario Run. Mario time, for sure. eBay, same place. Amazon. Ooh, a little bit of lag here on the F1. Play Store, same place. Calculator, good to go. Chrome, still on GSM Arena, so you can see. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera, there you go. Messages, a little bit faster on the Mate. And the phone app, give that one to the Mate 20. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself a Pocophone F1? This phone coming in with a Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM for a much cheaper price than, let's say, a OnePlus 6 or OnePlus 6T. Bang for a buck on this phone is excellent. Or do you have yourself the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This phone coming in with a massive 40 megapixel camera, a pretty nice curved display, a massive 4200 mAh battery, and this one is the blue and purple colorway. Flip it over in the back. This looks pretty cool back here. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.